Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Friday, May 14th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDS South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. All right, scholars. So we are done with our 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade end of year testing, the STAR and content. But that means we kick off our school lessons for next year. So 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade, you're going to be going ahead and learning the next year. You're going to go ahead and start on next year's lessons so that you'll be ahead of the game. Also in reading, you're going to start those lessons for your summer reading. So scholars, make sure you purchase your summer reading book and that you're ready to kick off the start of next year by being here every day. Attendance counts every day. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday. See you in the classroom. Hoot, hoot! Bye!